Hello students, today we will start chapter number 14 statics of class 10th. In statics we have three main terms, that's first is mean, second is mod and third is median. We denote mean as x, mode as z and median as m. This is the main three terms in statics. In first exercise we find mean, in second we find mod, in third we find median. For mean there are three methods. First one is direct method. In this direct method, mean is x bar is summation fi xi upon summation fi. Summation is the sum of. In this question we have given two tables, one is of xi and other is of fi. First we multiply fi into xi, then sum up all the terms, that's the summation fi, and sum up the table of fi, that's summation fi. When we divide these two we get mean. This is the direct method. Second is assumed mean method. In this method x bar is equal to L. In this L is the L is a simple A is called assumed mean, then summation fi di divided by summation fi. In this di is xi means A, where A is the assumed mean. We take it as, if in xi there are total 5 terms, then we take A as the middle term, that's third term. If there are even terms, suppose there are 6 terms, then we take A as third or fourth term. This is the formula for assumed mean method. The last one is step deviation. In step deviation, A plus summation fi ui upon summation fi into h. In this ui is equal to xi means A by h. This is the step deviation. For finding mod we use simple formula, that is mod is equal to L plus f1 means f0 upon 2f1 means f0 means f2 multiplied by h. In this L is the lower limit, f1 is the largest value of frequency. This is value of frequency below largest, above largest value. So this is frequency below largest value. This is the difference, mean difference. In median z, this is equal to L plus n upon 2 means, this is CF is called commutative frequency. We discuss this in chapter in exercise last exercise of this chapter. First we discuss mode. This is the first discussion of this chapter. These are the first 3 questions of exercise 14.2. In all these 3 questions we are required to find the mod, that's mod. for solution number 1, this is the table, this is the age in years, and these are the number of patient. For finding the mod, we note only the table of number of patients. This is the table of xi, this is the table of fi. In fi, we find the value of largest frequency. In this table, the largest frequency is 23, which is denoted as f1. This means in table of fi, we find the maximum frequency in this 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. This means this is the largest value, and above this is f0, below this is f2, and this is the model class. f1 in this table, in this line, we have model class. That's model class. Model class is 35 to 45. This means lower limit is 35 and class size is 10. This is the range. 45 minus 35 equals to 10. We know mod is equal to L plus f1 minus f2, f1 minus f0 upon 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 multiplied by h. When we put the value of L, that's 35, f1 is 23, f0 is 21, f1 is 23, f0 is 21, f2 is 14. Multiply h is 10. When we solve this, this is 35, this is 2, this is 46 minus 35 into 10. This means 35 plus 20 upon 11. When we divide this, this is 1.98. This is 36.8 is the mod of this question. This is very simple one. First, we find in frequency table the largest value. Denote this largest value as f1. Above this we find f0. Below this we find f2. And in the largest value we find the model class. That's model class is 35 to 45. This is the lower limit. When we difference between the largest value and the smallest value is called h. In question number 2, that's in frequency table the largest value is 61. So this is f1, above this is f0, below this f2, and this is the model class. So the model class is 60 to 80. In this lower limit is 60, class size is 20. Largest value means smallest value. And in mod is z is equal to L. L is 60 plus f1 which is 61, f0 52 over 2 into 61 means 52 means 38 multiply 20. So this is 60. When we subtract this, we get 9 into 20 upon this is 2, 122, this is 90. So 60 plus this is 180 divided by this is 32. This means 45 upon 8. 60 plus 8 5 40, 50, 8 6 plus 2 5. This is 60 plus 65 plus 625 is the mod of this question. This is a very simple way. First, in frequency table we find the largest value. Denote this value as f1. Above this is f0, this is f2, and this is the model class. In question number 3, the largest value is 40. So this is f1, this is f0, this is f2, this is the model class. So the model class is 1500 to 2000. In this lower limit is 1500 and class size is 500. When we put the value of L, that's 1500 plus F1 is 40 and F0 is 24 divided by 2 into 40, 24, 33 multiply H. H is 500. These are the values. So this is 1500 plus, when we subtract this we get 16, 80 mans, this is 57. So this is 1500 plus 8000 divided by 23. When we divide this 8000 divided by 23, 8000 divided by 23, 369, 110, that is 92, 23 4 92, this is 810, this means 180, 23 7 1, 161, this is 7 347, 90 90, this is 8, this means 347.8. So we are 847.8. This is the mod of this question. This is the simplest way. First we find in the frequency table the largest value, denote this value as F1, above this is F0, below this is F2, and this is the model class. These are the next three questions. That's question number 4th, 5th, 6th. In question number 4th, we are given number of students per teachers and frequency. In this solution of question number 4th, first we see the frequency table. In frequency table, the largest value is 10. We write it as F1 and above this is F0, below this is F2. In this is the model class. So in this question, the model class is 30 to 35, in which lower limit is 30 and class size largest value means smallest, that's 5. Mod is L plus F1 means F0 to F1 F0 F2 multiply H. So L is 30, F1 is 10, F0 is 9, 2 F1 is 10, F0 is 9, F2 is 3 and H is 5. So this is 30, this is 1 into 5, this is 20 means 12. So this is 30 plus 5 upon 8, this means this is 0.864825. This means 30.625 is the mod of this question. In solution 5, the question is runs scored by batsman, that's 3000 to 4000, number of batsmen are 4 and so on. In this, the largest frequency is 18. We write it as F1, this is F0, this is F2. So this is the model class. In this question, the model class is 4000 to 5000, in which lower limit is 4000 and class size is 1000. So the mod is, in this formula we put first L, which is 4000, then F1, which is 18, then F0, which is 4, 2 into F1 F0 F2 multiply H, which is 1000. So this is 4000 plus this is 14 into 1000 divided by 36 means 13. So 4000 plus 14,000 divided by 23. When we divide this 14,000 by 23, that's 18, 12, 138. So this is 2, 0, there is 0, 200. In this 28, 23, 8, 24, 16, 18, 184. This means this is 8 point. This is 16, 160. So 23, 5, 15, 11. That's 26, 138. This is 6. So this is 4000 plus 608.6. This is 4600 4608.6. This is the mod of this question. In this question, first we find largest value. We denote this as f1. Above this is f0. Below this is f2. And this is the model class. In question number 6th, the statement is number of cars crossing and frequency. In this, the largest value is 20. So this is f1, this is f0, this is f2, and this is the model class. So in this, model class is 40 to 50. So lower limit is 40, class size is 10, and mod is, we first write L is 40, f1 which is 20, f0 is 12, 2 into 20 means f0 means f2 multiply h. In this question h is 10. So this is 40, this is 8 into 10, this is 40 means 23. So 40 plus 80 by 17. This is 40 plus 17 3 17 4 68. So remainder is 12 120. So 7 is 119. This is 44.7. This is the mod of this question. In all these questions, first we find in the frequency table the largest value and denote this largest value as f1, and above this value we get f0, below this value we get f2. In f1, in the same horizontal line, we find the model class. In this model class, the lower limit is called L, and class size is denoted by the difference of the largest value and the smallest value. After this, we put all the values in this formula and find the mod. These are the solutions of this exercise 6th question. If you have any problem, then tell me. Thanks.